4C wear? Oh, okay.
Keep going back to what I used to know.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jah-zay, aka Hollywood, and I'm back with another video because 4C wear. 4C wear. Right. But as y'all can tell by the title, this is a video for the 4C girlies only. Not the only one, sweetheart. I got the 4C girls too. But if you're looking to achieve this slick ponytail, this everyday ponytail, this everyday, no extension, just all you ponytail for the girls, make sure y'all stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn y'all notifications on, and let's get into the video. Okay, so for today's video, these are the things that you're going to need to achieve this look. If you are going to start off with the relaxed edges like I did, this is the relaxer I used. It's the TCB No Base Cream Hair Relaxer. And to neutralize the relaxer when you're washing your hair, make sure you have some neutralizer. Please get you some neutralizer. And then the two products that I used to slick my hair back, I didn't even use a lot, like Braid Gel and Shining Gel. That's what's gonna mold me today. No, I'm not using no got to be. This is not a got to be or spritz hard ponytail look. This is literally supposed to give you done slicked your hair back after you got out the shower or something. Bruh. I don't know the go-to ponytail, but we're not molding today. Not with that hard ass shit. You're gonna need you a blow dryer to blow your hair out after washing. And then the two main things. Okay. The two main things that we're gonna use today as far as the heat part, you're gonna need you a hot comb and a flat iron, because we gonna be, you feel me? We gonna be, yes. Make sure you got you a hot comb or a flat iron. You can have you a, it don't matter if it's a plug-in flat iron or the stove. You're gonna need a comb for sure. You're gonna need one of these. Back in the day, your mama used to, you feel me, comb your face off. This is hard. Make sure it's a nice, hard, solid brush. Wow, 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 because this is key too when molding. And other than that, for my edges, I use Style Booster and the edge brush. And last but not least, some clips. Oh, and for your edges, a mini flat iron. And let's get into it. Okay, I'm back. So I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like before I get to rinsing this out. Y'all can see it is straight. If you're watching this video, you can skip this part. This is just for the girls that want that extra hold, that longevity hold. This is what it's called. And I've had this for a minute. I love this because you can just keep reusing it. Put it away, keep reusing it. Woo, y'all. My hair is tingling. It looked like it's a lot, but I promise you it's just on. I flipped it over. It's literally not that much. Let me show you. I literally just did a thin layer. Bruh. It's not that much. It's literally just focusing on my edges. But yes, this is the hack. If you want them foreign edges, relax them edges. 3 to 5 minutes. Just slap it on. Rinse it up. But yeah, I'm about to rinse this out. By the time I come back to the camera, I'm going to be most likely blown out. I'm just going to wash my hair and blow it out. Then we're going to get to the process of doing this ponytail. I look crazy. Okay, so I'm back. Yes, before we start, let me just show y'all what I'm working with. So you can believe too that you can achieve this look as well. I want to be transparent and show y'all what my hair is like. It just can be foreign, just foreign. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm back. To achieve this look, definitely make sure you're product free and your hair is clean. Y'all can see I have really thick hair. But let's begin. So if you're still here watching this video, if you don't know, I'm about to do a slick everyday ponytail. If you need like an in-between style for like a week and a half, this is my go-to style. So if you're still here and you have 4C hair and you don't know what to do, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a slick ponytail. You know how the foreign girls can just slick their hair in the ponytail without all this extra stuff. Unfortunately, we do gotta do a little 1-2, but it ain't nothing major. So what we're about to do right now is just straighten our hair. I need a clip. I have a clip. So what we're about to do is straighten our hair really, really good. So for us 4C girlies, this is gonna be our best friend today. A lot of people don't use the hot comb with 4C hair, but I don't know about y'all, but I was raised with the hot comb. Like, how you gonna get them roots how you want to? So the first key to getting this ponytail is to straighten our hair. And when you use this hot comb, use it correctly. Woo! And that's okay. That's good. That means if it burns, you burning yourself. That means you doing what you're supposed to do. You getting as close as possible to the roots. I'm gonna have to open the door. It's getting hot. Woo! I really think my hair's still wet. Make sure your hair is complete. Your scalp is completely dry. Almost forgot. So these two is what I'm gonna be using. This hot comb for the roots, and this is gonna finish off everything else. So you're gonna wop, 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 wop. Get it? Got it? Good. So I just went in with the hot comb. Now I'm gonna go follow through with this flat iron. When I tell y'all that relaxer got me right, because the way the back of my neck set up, I don't like to wear ponytails just for that simple fact my neck be towed up. And you're going to take small pieces. As 4C girlies, we got to take our time with these silk press. We cannot rush through. Take your time, do it right. You can do it, baby. So once again, we're gonna go in with the hot comb. Y'all, my scalp is still wet. I'm really risking it. Make sure you're using the back of that comb. A lot of people don't know how to correctly use a hot comb. You don't just comb straight through. You don't just, no. You gotta start off with the comb, twist it as if you're using a curler, and you're gonna leave that back on that hair. Woo! Alright, stop playing with me. You're gonna part off another small section. Bring it all the way through to the other side. Grab your handy dandy plate. You're gonna pull the hair out from your scalp. period. You're gonna come around here and hit the same way. You're gonna roll it all the way to the back and leave that back on that hair, period. And like I said, the flat iron is gonna straighten everything else. And of course, if you want to follow through, just to actually get them in straight. See? Alright. You're gonna follow through. And that's how you get some hair straight. Like, stop playing. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time for the back, and then I'm gonna just tap back in with y'all, cause y'all know what's going on. Another small piece. Take your time, 4C girls. This part is the most critical part of this ponytail. Alright. Hot comb. You're gonna pull the hair off your scalp. Roll the hot comb. Make sure you're leaving that back on the roots. But it's okay too to burn your scalp a little bit. Just a little bit. That means you getting it. Okay, then we're gonna go back over that same part. We're gonna dab the root about 2 times. We're gonna clutch real bad and follow through. So I am in the front now, still parting small sections. Y'all see that? Like, look at that. And then look at this. Take this. That is the incorrect way to do it. I want to compare to y'all and show y'all what the difference is. This is, you just running the comb through it with no back. The correct way would be to roll the back slowly and then release. Then we're gonna do it again.
I think we're kind of done with this one.
And just like that, I'm back. Yes, y'all thought I was playing? Yes. Okay, so next thing, this is really your choice how you want to do this part, but I always do a middle part. Some people like to do the V, no part. I'm gonna go ahead and do a middle part. Keep it simple and cute and classy. But for this part, we're basically gonna mold. So to mold, I go in first with a little bit of this, not too much. A little bit of Shiny Gel. And then with the thicker mold, I follow with the Braid Gel. Typically do what? You wanna focus it on the part so we can mold that down. The key thing to this part is to do it by sections. Usually people do part their hair into sections to get their ponytail, but I just focus it around the part and where my baby hair is at. So now, right now, I'm taking the Braid Gel. You want to pull out your baby hairs on this part because you don't want no product on the part that you plan on leaving out. So I typically do something like this. I think that's pretty smooth. What y'all think? Should it be thicker? That's smooth. So then I go around.
God, please hold my hand.